Forget buying fertilizer in a plastic bag or bottle from the shops. Comfrey has quietly been making its own fertilizer for hundreds, if not thousands of years, and is better than anything on the shelf. Here's how to turn those big beautiful leaves into liquid gold for your garden. Cut a big bunch of Comfrey leaves. Don't be shy, cut it right down to the ground. It doesn't care. It will bounce back in 3 to 4 weeks, looking smug. Stuff the leaves into a bucket. Pack them in tight like you're trying to fit too much laundry into a bag. Fill the bucket with water until the leaves are fully covered. Put the lid on. This is very important because Comfrey tea smells absolutely horrible and your neighbors will not thank you. Leave the bucket on a shady spot for 3 to 4 weeks. Stir it every few days and watch the water turn dark brown as the minerals release from the leaves. When it is ready, it will be dark, smelly, and incredibly powerful. Before you use it, dilute it. 1 part Comfrey tea to 10 parts good water. Rainwater is best. If it looks like strong coffee, go 1 step further and dilute it 15 to 1. Never pour it straight onto your plants. They will not enjoy that. Pour the diluted liquid onto the soil around the base of your plants. Use it every 2 to 3 weeks during the growing season. Tomatoes, peppers, fruit trees, and leafy greens will respond like they just had the best meal of their lives. You are feeding them potassium for flowering and fruiting, calcium for strong cell walls, phosphorus for roots, magnesium for energy, and a whole range of trace elements, all from one plant that you can cut for free and they grew back without even being asked. 1 bucket feeds your whole garden multiple times over. When it is empty, just start again. Cut, fill, wait, dilute, use. That is the whole system. Comfrey does not ask for much. It just keeps on giving.